Hello from Southtech Tutorials. Today I'm back with another video whereby I'm going to show how to create a list. Under list we are going to have ordered list and unordered list. So for the case of ordered list, this is where you can be having a list with numbers, for example 1, 2, 3. When the list is numbered, or you can even number it with Roman numerals, as long as it is numbered or it is having anything that can identify it through numbering. That's what we are terming as ordered list. Then for the case of unordered list, this way you just use bullets. There now you don't again use 1, 2, 3 to number them. So I've already created folder on the desktop, and it is the one that I have already opened here in our VS Code. I hope by now everyone is able to create a folder on desktop and able to also open it in the VS Code. So let's create our file inside the list folder. You just have to click here and we are going to name it. This time let's name it list.html. Then wait for it, and then here it is. So this is our file, VS Code list. So this is where we shall put our HTML. I'll just type HTML and type doc type HTML. Then here type your HTML. Inside your HTML you put the head, as I showed you previously in the video I created when I was showing you how to install VS Code. I also demonstrated at least these codes. So inside the head is where we have our title. So let's give list as our title for today. So inside the head, actually we are out of the head because we are finished. We had to just put the title. So here now, this is where we are supposed to put the body. So let's give it a title. At least let's do it with heading 3. As I told you previously, heading 1 is the one with the biggest font size, so we can do that one, and then say ordered and unordered. So that is the title for this tutorial. So now let's start with ordered list. Let's put that one in a paragraph. We say ordered list. So that's our paragraph. Now in order for us to start ordered list, you have to start with open angle bracket and then OL. So you can see we are now first starting with ordered list, whereby they will be numbered from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to where we shall stop. So let's list things like football as the first list. So inside the ordered list we have to now start with listing. So we have to open the bracket close it. So we are listing, we say we are listing different sports activities, and I'm starting with football. Then I can put another one as LI. LI stands for list, guys. So I'm putting basketball. There I put basketball. Then I can duplicate these two to just make them many, so that we are able to understand better what all that list means. So we have football there, so we can also put volleyball. We can put volleyball, and then this one we can put, if you guys know rugby, there's that game called rugby. It is a game I love watching also. Let's make at least 5 of them. Let us make 5 lists, but they are ordered ones. Rugby, there are those ones also love. Tennis, yeah. So let's run this and shall open it with our live server. So it's going to show it up now in our Chrome browser. So it is not running at port 5500. So let's wait until it reflects in our Chrome browser, and this is where it is going to show us the output. So this is the file we created, and it is called list.html. That's why you're seeing it there. So it is loading. There we go. You can now see we are able to make ordered list. As I told you earlier, ordered list, when they are listing them, they start with numbers. You can now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are the things we typed in our code. So let's give it a better title instead of us saying ordered list. This why I just gave this. I wanted you guys to know that we are dealing with ordered list. So this one, why can't we just put a better title such as sports activities? Save those changes, and then you will see it in your browser. You can see this is our paragraph, and we have our ordered list. So I hope by now you have understood at least the meaning of ordered list. When they are listing those items, then they always appear with numbers. So now let's also have a look at unordered list. In order for us to do unordered list, we have to get out of ordered list. Then unordered list, you have to start with this angle bracket UL, then you close it. UL stands for unordered list. Then you can now put all your list inside it. So we can just duplicate this, we copy, and then we can just paste it inside this unordered list. And let us have a look at the output in our browser. You can see when you're dealing with unordered list, it just shows them in bullet format. It doesn't show numbers. So you can now see the difference between ordered list and unordered list. This is how it is showing them. So I hope you are getting it, and I do encourage you to also practice wherever you are for better understanding, and when you practice these ones you can easily get them. So I do encourage you guys, do also practice wherever you are. So this is a very short tutorial for today. Please guys, if you have liked my video and it has been profitable to you, please subscribe to my channel if you are new and hit on the notifications bell. Hope to see you in the next tutorial.